Dankeschön! Anna Kjolberg from Norway. My name is Timo Vuorensalo. I'm the director of Iron Sky: The Coming Race, and I'm here to thank you for your support on this film. Anna Kjolberg, you've done a great job. It's not easy to do a feature film, as you know, in Scandinavian countries. It's not easy to do a genre film in Scandinavian countries, but thanks to you and your support, we're one step closer to reaching our dream once again. So, Anna Kjolberg, I want to thank you for your support, and I wish you the best in the future. And also, and I hope you will be joining us also in the future for our next big push for Iron Sky: The Coming Race, when we'll be financing the main film itself. We're starting this big campaign pretty soon, and once we're done with that, we have everything needed. So thank you so much, Anna Kjolberg, and I hope to see you around again as soon as possible. Mwah.